Okay, first of all, let's get the shirt down. Let's ruche it up. Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I don't think I've done one of these before, where I've actually received in some gifted pieces from some brands, and I want to talk through the pieces and give you my honest opinion. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, just keep watching. First of all, I want to say welcome back to everyone that is already a part of the community. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you being here. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Brenda. I am a over 50 content creator, and this channel is all about fashion and style for everybody. Brands have reached out to me and asked me about receiving some of their pieces. And I will say, I don't say yes to everything. I want to say yes only to those brands that I feel like I would naturally be drawn to, or pieces that I would purchase on my own. I just want to be authentic and transparent with everyone, that I'm not out here just trying to sell you on a bunch of pieces. But when I do get pieces that I think are good and I think that you might find useful, I will certainly share those with you. So that said, I'm going to start first with the shoes. So first up are shoes that I received in from Naturalizer. Naturalizer has always been known as a company that provides comfortable shoes, but way back in the day, they were less known for style. But over the past several years, they have changed their aesthetic, and I have been a regular customer of theirs. I find their shoes to be very well made, very comfortable, and also stylish. So I have two pairs of sneakers. These, the first pair, are probably my favorite. I love the color. Red is one of my favorite colors. I have multiple, but red is one of my favorite colors. And I think it goes really well from winter into spring and then even into summer to add a pop of color. I really like the look of the shoe. I've actually worn these a few times. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen me styling them. But I do like the material. It has this suede here, and then it's a fabric here, a little bit of elevation on the bottom, and some treads there. I can wear them with jeans or skirts all season long. If you're old school like me, if you remember in school, we used to have erasers that look like this. That's what this reminds me of. So this one is similar, but you'll notice that the heel is a little bit different. I like the green to go more so with the dark denim or your cooler colors. I don't know why, but I like the green, and it reminds me more of a preppy type look. So more so with maybe plaid blazers and slacks and things like that. Slacks. Does anybody say slacks anymore? Trousers, pants. Next up is my favorite kind of shoe, which is a slingback. Over time, the slingback has become my favorite shoe. I don't know if it's a combination of foot surgery or walking a lot over time, or just getting older, but my feet are much more comfortable in a slingback shoe versus a closed-in shoe. This one, as you can see, is also a kitten heel, another one of my favorites, because I want to be able to still walk around and get to where I'm going in comfort, but also with a little bit of style. I know some people don't care for kitten heels. If you have a larger foot like me, there is the chance that your foot will look longer, especially if it has like a pointy toe. So to offset that, I would wear these with some extra wide leg jeans to kind of break closer to the front of the shoe, and therefore you would only see a portion of the shoe. These give me slight Audrey Hepburn vibes. I would wear these certainly with an all black look for the summer, something really casual like some cropped pants and a black tee, and throw these on and look really chic and pulled together, or just running around. I have another pair of shoes to share with you. These shoes are from the Office of Angela Scott. If you follow me on Instagram, I actually did a reel featuring them. Apparently green is my color for this season. I love these loafers because of the color, and they're metallic, so you get a little bit of shine as well. I really like all of the detail on this shoe, the stitching. It is really well made. And I know sometimes people say these shoes are expensive, but there are some pieces I think that are worth investing in, and shoes is one of them. For me personally, I don't like for my feet to hurt anymore. I don't want to sacrifice comfort in my feet just for a look, unless I'm going a really short distance. These are shoes that I can wear all day. Wore them the first time out of the box all day, no problem. Also will go with some of the preppy looks that I do like to wear, some of my plaid blazers and things like that during the summer, and also can dress it down with just some jeans and a white t-shirt. Next up, I have a bag that I want to share with you. I received this bag from Teddy Blake, a brand that I had heard of, but I didn't know a lot about. What struck me first about this bag is the quality, the way that it feels. It is substantial, but not overly heavy. It is also well made. I'm one of the people that really pays attention to all of the details in terms of the stitching to see if things look like that they will hold up or if they'll come apart quickly. Again, in the color, my color of the season, green, reminds me of some really high-end luxury bag at a much more affordable price point. I think it's very chic and sophisticated. It will go just as easily with a vintage type dress as it would with a t-shirt, jeans, and blazer to run around on the weekend. And I would definitely pair this up with either the green sneakers or the loafers as well. The inside of the bag is this green, slightly suede fabric, which is nice. And then it also has a strap. You can carry it as a handbag or you can put it on your shoulder. I'm very impressed with Teddy Blake, and I would definitely recommend it. And I'm looking forward to carrying this bag all season long. Next up are pieces that I received from Kiya Tomlin. It's owned and operated by Kiya Tomlin, who is a Black woman, and we've actually been following each other on social media for quite a while. So I was really excited to receive these pieces. This pleated maxi pant, and as a person that loves color, this was right up my alley. And I also received this top. I'll have to put it on to show you what it looks like. So let me put on both pieces. I will be right back. So here are the pieces. I have the top tucked into the pants, so it actually looks sort of like a jumpsuit. I do like that it's out of this stretchy material, and it has this nice wide band up here around the waist, so you can kind of ruche it and adjust it as you need to. It has these pleats in the front, and I love a wide leg pants. I think this is perfect for really warm weather. I like the shoulder out here in this detail. I like the way that the top fits, and it shows some shoulder here and it shows a little bit of skin here, but you're still very covered up. I'm not going to show the back only because I don't have on the right bra underneath it, so it's showing, but I will show a picture from the website. But this is a fun outfit. I really like this a lot. It's super casual, and I'm really excited to wear this during summertime shy. And the pants have pockets, so that's always a plus. So yeah, I really like this. I would wear it with some even bigger earrings, I think. But this is really a nice two-piece set. And of course, you can wear the pieces by themselves. You could throw on the pants and of course a t-shirt, or you could throw this on with some denim or even some white pants, or you could really throw it on where you would wear a t-shirt. You could really put this on instead of a t-shirt and automatically elevate your look. So those are all the pieces that I wanted to share with you. I hope this video was helpful. Felt a little bit clunky. Let me know if you would like to see more. Also, let me know which piece or which item was your favorite. Everything will be linked in the description bar below. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'd really appreciate it if you would like, share, and comment on this video. Also, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of the community so that we can continue to grow. And I'm on Instagram, so you can follow me there for daily updates. And I think that's it. So thank you so much again for all your support, whether you've been here the whole time or this is your first video. Thank you. I appreciate you, and I will see you in the next video. If you stayed this long, Would love to have you to be a part of the community. Detail here. Even, is that all I want to say? All right. Is that all?